Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on this Aston Martin Key Fob. This is a pretty simple process. Here's what you need. You need something like a little guitar pick. I got this out of a cell phone repair kit. A little flathead screwdriver like that, and then your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032s, and these can be gotten off Amazon very inexpensively. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take off this cap here. And this is best, I think, from this side, and just, you can, I mean, it doesn't have to be this, you can use a pair of tweezers or something like that. You can see it's got like a little ridge right there. Now at this point, take your screwdriver, stick it in here, and just twist gently. Alright. Pops open one side, you can just peel it apart. Alright, there is your old battery. Pop that out. You can see it says plus side down there. Put your new battery in. Give this a good squeeze back together. And then this goes in like so. Alright, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.